The boy itch up over there in a bush. But them buy a ring and make video but hey, you see a real kunomuno. Tufenke. You need to say a tufenke. Hey, that boy that real tufenke, you know. You know say my tufenke. Jesus. Time I go want to say one and two things. But I don't know. I now say one more thing. I finish. Keep them a disturbing piece. Him attack in a video and the cricket them attack. You are watching video, you don't even know who you want to listen to. Him are the cricket. I'm glad I live in my shop. If I out and hear two cricket, I can go lock in on the live. Nobody now hear no cricket in there. Team cricket them, all about the place them there chat, all type of fuckery. Yeah, save them, have them. For sure say